everything about the struggle for nation out of the colonial boundaries, which brought together people of various tribes, various cultural identities, but we have a moral obligation as a country to forge a way forward and give our children a heritage of a nation that thrives, that prospers, irrespective of our diversity. Therefore, unity and diversity is an effort to seek strength in our diversity, not weaknesses. How do we harness our diversity to forge a common nation without denying who they are? You don't need to change your name to get a good job. You don't need to deny your father to be promoted. You don't need to be a friend or a tribe mate to win an interview. Or even if you win, sometimes you don't get a job simply because you don't come from a right tribe. A failed person can take up a job where you have won because of your first name. But research has shown that our DNA as a human race, 99.99% we are the same. Our only difference is 0.000.1. So why don't we find things within the 99.999 and we go for what is 0.0001? That is it. That's what unity and diversity, there is so much that we have in common that we can harness. And this unity, can be a source of our strength. But people use tribes to hibernate too, wherever they want to do mischief. When you steal money, you go and say, man, me am Mchiga. Did you steal as a Chiga? When you cause injustice, it goes back to a tribe. We give ourselves names, Banyanya, Wapi, Twabi. We must